Guangzhou Kaiou Digital Technology Company Limited is established in 2012, focusing on the development, production, and exportation of inkjet printers, certificated by CE, RoHS. Our main products include UV DTF printer, UV printer, CCD Visual Positioning UV flatbed printer, 360 UV rotary printer, DTF printers, DTG printer, inkjet printer spare parts. We provide our customers with competitive and reliable products, solutions, and services in the field of digital printer manufacturing, and continue to create value for customers. Kaiou believes quality and reliability is the matter we always pay attention to. Based on our reliable quality and sincere after-sales service, we get highly recognized by North America, Europe, Middle East, Africa. The business covers more than 150 countries and regions. Our multiple production lines ensure fast delivery times to meet your demands. Kaiou with OEM service, we hope to make products accessible and affordable to more and more people, enabling more customers to achieve business growth and success. Kaiou places a strong emphasis on after-sales service, recognizing it as the key to ensuring customer satisfaction. We prioritize enhancing the skills and service awareness of our after-sales team through comprehensive training. Our service-to-home strategy is designed to provide customers with seamless support wherever they are, creating a win-win relationship. When you purchase from us, you benefit from a 1-year warranty with reliable after-sales support. Welcome to contact us.